Hate loud shows but love the bass? Listen up. That post-concert ringing, it's your ears rebooting. Here's why. Loud noise jolts tiny hair cells in your inner ear. They get temporarily injured. While recovering, they fire random signals. Your brain hears that as ringing tinnitus. Think of it like injured nerves rebooting with static. Usually it fades in hours or days. But repeat blasts can make it stick. Protect your ears, turn it down, wear plugs or use in-ears, and give your hearing a rest. Love the music? Keep the hearing.